everyone, welcome back. Today I have a Chanel 23S double unboxing to share with you. I was recently in Orlando, Florida, and I was there for the 23S launch. So I went on launch day and I was able to get both of the items that I was after that day. So I'm going to share those with you now. So these clearly are not a true unboxing. I actually unboxed them right away while I was there, but I've just put them back in the packaging. Now the SLG, I always label my boxes with my label maker, and I have already labeled the top of the box, so I took that off just for the sake of the unboxing. So yeah, it's an SLG and then a bag. So this is the dust bag for the SLG. And it is the heart coin purse from 23S, and it is in black patent leather with light gold hardware. The stickers are still on. I haven't actually used this one yet. It's a bit of it was a bit of a purchase just because I thought it was really cute. So it has this little clip, so you can clip this on to anything, really, any bag or whatever you want to clip it onto. It has the little heart pull tab on one side and then just a regular leather pull tab for the other side of the zipper, and I'm not really sure what I'm going to use it for, but I just thought it was really cute. And then when you open it up, it's still got the felt in, but it's just one open compartment, and it was made in Italy. Just gonna put the felt back in. So yeah, this is I just thought it was a really cute little accessory, and I thought it would look cute clipped onto some of my bags. So yeah, that is the first item. I know this came also as, it came in a set with a larger heart and a chain, so like you could actually wear it as a bag, and then there was one of these clipped onto it and then a larger heart. I thought that was really cute too. I didn't actually see that at the store, but I thought it was cute. But I thought this one would be nice to have because I can use it with any bag. So anyway, that is the first item. And here is the bag, and this is the bag that I went in for, that I was hoping to get on launch day, so I was really excited to be able to get it. So here we go. The dust bag, and again, I repackaged this quickly. I didn't bother putting on the ribbon and camellia and everything because I can never do it as nicely as they do it at the store. And I actually used this right away when I was in Florida, so it has already been used. So to reveal, so here is the Chanel 22 bag in the mini size. So this is the new size for the 23S collection, and I know some people hate the 22. I love it. I have my two small sized 22 bags in the So Black and also in the caramel color. I use them so much. They are by far my most used Chanel bags, and when I saw that it was coming out in a mini crossbody size, I was really excited because I think this is just as easy to use, except that you can actually wear it crossbody, which I love. Crossbody bags are my favorite, and I also wanted to get the light yellow. So this light yellow color, several different styles come in this light yellow color for 23S, and I have been looking for a light pale yellow bag for quite some time, and I'm pretty particular about it, the shade of yellow, because I only really like those like really soft, nice, pale shades of yellow, and this is exactly what I wanted. So it's, yeah, it's just a really, really pretty, soft, buttery yellow color, and I thought this would be perfect because I have never had a yellow bag before, and it's not, you know, a repeat color in my collection, so and it's a different style too. So it has the brushed gold hardware, and then so I did, like I said, I did use this, and it fits a lot despite its small size. It actually has quite a large capacity just because of it's not a structured bag at all. Like, it's a very soft bag, just like the other 22 bags. And this is the inside, so it's just one big open compartment other than this little one little slip pocket, and it's that same quilted lining like the larger 22 bags. It has the medallion just like the larger bags, and then you can also so here are the two straps. So the crossbody straps, there are two. There's the leather and chain one, and then there's just this leather one. So you use both of them, and it's quite comfortable to wear. Crossbody, it works really well on me, and I'm 5'4". And then with these, you can use this as a top handle, which I love. It's just easy to grab it. And you can also pull these very easily to scrunch the bag so that it is a little bit more secure. So if you take the smaller bag or smaller top handle chains and just scrunch them, you can kind of close it up. It works better when there's stuff in it, but yeah, it's actually really, really easy bag to use. Like I said, I did use it, and I was really, really happy with it. I thought it would be a little bit too much with all the chains, but it's actually not. So it's just got these two, the shorter ones, and then the two longer ones. There is this version that has the pearls, which would be an extra chain hanging, which I think is cute too, but I really wanted the yellow, and the yellow comes without the pearls. I really didn't need another black bag, and the pearls come on the black version. So yeah, so I really am so happy I was able to get this. Like I said, it's so easy. It holds everything I need, and the yellow color is perfect, exactly what I was looking for in a pale yellow bag. So that is my little Orlando Chanel haul. I had a great experience at the store there. I had shopped there before, and the same sales associate helped me this time. She was wonderful. So yeah, it was great. I was really happy to be there for launch day and be able to get the two items I was after. So that's it for this unboxing. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.